So if you are trying to log in to your 8-ball pool account with Google Play, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. First thing first, you have to launch this application in your mobile device or your PC. Once you do so, you will see an interface like this, and then here you will see Google Play button. If you're installing this application for the first time, this will what you will see. Now you have to tap on Google Play, wait for this to load. It will automatically detect your Google account and it will ask you if you would like to log in or sign up via this. You have to tap on this continue button. Now, as you do that, tap on continue here. And now you have to give access to everything that is shown here. Tap continue. And just like so, now it says connecting. This is how you can simply go ahead and log into your Ball Play 8 account. If you would like to watch the tutorial, you may go ahead, tap on start, or else you can skip this and simply go ahead and play it. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up in our next upload.